Headlines still crossing from Meadows talking to Fox earlier today, saying the president is committed to getting an aid bill done, wants to move expeditiously, but also be fiscally responsible. That's certainly where the market's focus is going to be today.
Well, I think that the fact that the president wants to give state aid, I think that matters. I think that that Speaker Pelosi wants to do a deal. I think there's an urgency coming to it. So the talks this morning, I bet, will be productive. And I think that's very exciting for the market.
Does it matter to you if it's piecemeal, a little bit for airlines or something else, or do you still crave something comprehensive?
Well, as long as there's something for states, which I believe there will be, and something for small business, then I think America will react positively no matter who leads. And the reason is because as we listen to, say, Dr. Gottlieb, we know we have to have some firepower. We know that if this scourge comes back and comes back hard, then that's it. I mean, anyone who tried to stay open is finished. Witness Brooklyn. I'm seeing many pictures of Brooklyn, of where it might close. Well, it's my darn block where my places are. And so I think that, once again, we need help.
Question will be how much to states and municipalities. That has been the key impediment previously, at least, to getting a deal done, as we well know, Jim. Where the Congress, or the House at least, had passed what originally it was, I think, up as much as $1 trillion when their first $3 trillion bill back in May. It's been reduced and reduced. I don't have any idea exactly where we end up, but that money is needed, and needed immediately at so many different places. By the way, not just cities, as some would have you believe, or not just blue states either, but across the board, isn't it? And if you don't get it soon, you're going to see even more significant layoffs in these municipal workforces.
Absolutely. I believe there is give. I think that the president knows how small and medium size is very important, and also states more important than I think some of us have portrayed. So maybe just because the communication is very difficult on this and very private, but obviously the markets are reflecting something positive, and the markets have been pretty accurate about stimulus, at least in terms of talks. Talks this morning, Carl, I think could be fruitful, and I think that therefore I wouldn't bet against this market right now.
Yeah, I wonder, Jim, if you think that's what treasuries are reacting to today, and the bank stocks. You got Wells Fargo up a full %. Are we looking at an area where stimulus does drive yields?
Well, I think it drives yields. Plus, I think that, remember, the parade of bank earnings comes next week. So anything that could make it so that they don't have to talk about how there's big loan losses ahead, again, a very positive for the market. I don't trust that group at all. I put the oils and the banks in the same group.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.